Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy do-it-yourself disinfecting hand gel. Now I've gotten our ingredients together here. So we're going to be using aloe vera gel. This is going to be the base for our hand gel. We've got witch hazel. That's going to be another emulsifier, and it's going to help the essential oils stay mixed into the gel. We've got vitamin E oil. This is going to act as a preservative, and it also helps to help your skin whenever you use it. It's really good for your skin. Tea tree oil. This is an antimicrobial oil, and we're going to be using this to kill all the germs on your hands. Another good antimicrobial oil, believe it or not, is lavender. So we're going to use lavender and tea tree oil, and we've done this with foaming hand soap. We're going to just do this with a hand gel today, and that way you can put it into a pump in your home, or you can carry it around in a little squeeze bottle, and anytime you need to disinfect your hands, you just squeeze a little out on your hands, rub it in. Alright, our first ingredient is the aloe vera gel. So we're going to get 1 cup of aloe vera gel, and we're going to do this in a bowl because it makes it easier to mix all these ingredients up. This aloe vera gel is a little bit thick. So if we put it in our shaker bottle, we won't make sure that it's all mixed up good. So I'm going to do it in a bowl, and then we're going to use a funnel to put it into our spray bottle, or our pump bottle, excuse me. So there, 1 cup of aloe vera gel, and then we're going to add to that 1 tablespoon of witch hazel. Alright, so there's our tablespoon of witch hazel. And we're going to use a spoon and stir that together. And now we're going to put in 3 drops of vitamin E oil. Like I said, this is good for your skin, but it'll also act as a preservative. Now we're going to put in 25 drops of tea tree oil. And then the last thing we're going to add is 15 drops of lavender essential oil. Now, lavender gives it a good smell, but it's also antimicrobial, so it'll kill bacteria and germs that are on your hands too. Now we're going to make sure that is all mixed up. And then our last step is to put this into our pump bottle. And for that I'm going to use a funnel. We're just going to pour this right in. Okay, so there you have it. An antibacterial hand gel, easy to make. Just uses aloe vera gel, witch hazel, some vitamin E oil, and our essential oils. And as you can see, nice gel consistency. Rub it on your hands. And you can smell the tea tree and lavender, so we know it's doing its work. And just rub it in real good. Kills all the viruses, bacteria on your hands, so it can help keep you from getting sick. Keep one of these around the house, and also you can put it in a squeeze bottle so you can carry it in your car with you. So be sure and like our YouTube videos, and also like our page on Facebook, and you'll get notified anytime that we put out some new videos. And we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next video.